Lately, I've been thinking, you know, even though I'm a bird, I haven't flown over the mountains yet. I haven't tried new places to eat. There are still many experiences I haven't had. Yet. What about you? What experiences haven't you had yet? Today, we're going to learn how to express that. Welcome to ABT, Present Perfect Negative Form. So, what is the purpose of the negative form? We use the present perfect in negative to say that something has not happened in our life, or until now. It helps us talk about experiences we don't have yet, or actions that are still not complete. Not what we did, but what we have not done. Listen and observe how it works. I haven't played tennis. What does it mean? It means in my life until now, I don't have that experience. It has not happened yet. We haven't drunk coffee today. It means up to now, this action has not happened. Maybe later, but not yet. Do you see how it works? Now let's check the structure. To form the negative, we use three parts. First, the subject, who does the action. Then the auxiliary verb in negative, have not or has not, or haven't/hasn't. Notice how it changes with the subject. And finally, the action in past participle form. This is where that verb list becomes important. We use the third column. If you need help with that, we left the link on the video. And you can also review the affirmative lesson there. Let's see another example. He hasn't worked in an office. What does it mean? It means in his life until now, he hasn't had that type of experience. He does not have that experience. Now that you've seen the examples, let's see what you can do. Remember, you can pause the video at any moment. First one, I don't swim in the ocean. I haven't swum in the ocean. She doesn't drink green tea. She hasn't drunk green tea. You don't work on weekends. You haven't worked on weekends. We don't visit museums. We haven't visited museums. That bus doesn't go there. That bus hasn't gone there yet. I know, for some of you this feels easy, and for others, it might feel challenging. And that's completely okay. You're learning, and that takes time. Now we'd love to hear from you. Can you tell us 2 experiences you haven't had yet? For example, I haven't traveled to Mongolia. I haven't tried scuba diving. Write your answers in the comments. And if you need help, leave a megaphone emoji. We'll be there to guide you. If you want more practice, check the description. We left free materials for you. In the next lesson, we're going to learn how to ask questions in present perfect. How can you ask about experiences? That's coming next. If you want to explore more, you can click here or here. That one looks interesting. Keep learning with ABT.